Hi everyone. Now I'll be talking about the first herb, chamomile. This is the flower which we are using as a tea. Long time back they were saying that chamomile is a very good for attracting money and wealth. So this chamomile flower mostly used by gamblers. When they are going, before going, they were washing their hand with the infused chamomile water. This infused water they were adding in their bath water also to bring love in their life. So this is very good for attracting money and as well as love. But this is a very protective herb as well. If you are sparkle this herb outside your property, they said this will protect your property and as well as you or your family members also. And this is the magical part of the chamomile, but now I'll be telling about the medicinal part. The chamomile is very good for sleep. Who is having sleep less night, they can use chamomile as a tea. You can use honey in it and you can drink as a tea at night before going to sleep. Hello everyone, I'm talking about the next herb, nutmeg. Nutmeg also we can get it in the kitchen pantry, and you can use the nutmeg as a very good lucky charm. Long time back they were telling that nutmeg was using as a good luck charm. This is also very favorite for gamblers, and they are saying that if you are using the nutmeg powder on top of the green candle with the intent of luck, okay, then it is working. This nutmeg is also used in the rituals of the money oil. When you are making money oil, you can use the nutmeg also in it, and this is a very powerful herb. This is the magical portion, and the medicinal portion is that this is very good for the circulation and your heart. So if you are taking a pinch of nutmeg in boiling water, hot water or lukewarm water, and mixed with honey, and every day night before going to sleep if you are drinking that, then your circulation will be better. So this is the nutmeg. Hi everyone, my next herb is cinnamon. Everyone knows that cinnamon we are using in a food. It is easily available in our kitchen. We are using cinnamon bark as well as cinnamon powder. If you have a cinnamon bark, then you can burn it like exactly as a agabatti. But you have to keep your intention that cinnamon, which one you are burning, that will bring money for you, that will bring good luck for you and prosperity for you. And in that way it will work. Then when you are burning the cinnamon, it is rising your vibration, the positive vibration, and it will protect you and your property also. And we are using cinnamon in the money mojo bag. Means we are using a bag where we are keeping the intention that these herbs will work as a money magnet. In there we are using cinnamon. So this is the magical properties of cinnamon. Now I will tell you how cinnamon you can use as a medicine. Cinnamon is very good for blood circulation and your blood sugar. It will reduce the blood sugar. Hi everyone, my next herb is coriander. We are using coriander in our everyday life, in everyday cooking. But coriander we can use magically and medicinally as well. Magically, coriander mostly using to enhance love in our life. If you have coriander powder or seeds, you can use 1 pinch of that powder in the wine and keep it for some time. It's maybe 1 week, then you can drink as a love potion. And in medicinally, in Indian Ayurveda medicine, the coriander seeds are using as a digestive medicine. And coriander enhance natural defense against allergy also. So this is the coriander. Now I will go to my next herb. Hi everyone. My next herb is sage. Just now I went outside and plucked one sage from my small plant is there. I plucked from there. This is the leaf, and I am having this is the California white sage. This is the California white sage, and this is like little bit big size, okay. And this is also sage, but this is the cut piece. So I am using this one as a magically, actually means when I am burning the charcoal, I am putting this one on top of that, so I can clean my place. And so I am cleaning my crystal also with the sage only, mostly sage, and otherwise I am using the Palo Santo also, but mostly I am using the sage for cleaning the my house. Then I'm smudging us, so no negativity will be there or evil eye will be there. If I'm feeling that there is evil eye or negativity is there in our house, so I am burning the sage, this dry sage. And this sage we can use as a medicine. That dry sage also we can boil or use as a tea for our sore throat and bleeding gum, and then means mouth ulcer if you have, so you can use the tea, or you do gargle out of that water and it will reduce the pain. Hello everyone, my next herb is ginger. We use ginger for energy, luck and healing magic. If you place a whole ginger root or powder on top of a photograph of a person who needs healing, then that will work. Add ginger to the bath water to bring fast luck, and eat the ginger on Tuesday for adding energy. Now I will tell you how we are using in medicinally. If somebody has the bad circulation problem, means blood circulation, so they can use the ginger as a medicine, so it will improve the circulation of that person. And if somebody has a sore throat, if they will gargle with the infused of the ginger root water, then that will reduce the pain in the throat. So in this way we can use medicinally. Hello everyone, my next herb is coffee, and this is the last one. We are using coffee every day for increase our energy. If we are using that coffee also in our bath water, that will increase our positive energy and removing the negative energy from our aura. If you are sparkling your coffee powder in your four corner in your house or in your room, then it is increasing the good vibration or energy in that room. Then when you are going for interview or going for exam, if you can take 2 or 3 coffee beans with you in your pocket or in your purse, that will make you success. And another way, when you are making the love oil or any type of magical oil, if you are adding coffee beans or coffee powder in it, it will enhance the power and make it faster. The work will happen faster than the usual. So in this way we can use coffee magically. Now we are drinking coffee every day to increase our energy. So coffee is a stimulant beverage for the nervous system. It improves mental and physical performance. It is natural stimulant of the metabolism and fat burning. So this is the way we can use medicinally. So that's it. Now I will meet with you another session.